Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Vindaloo sauce is probably one of the most exciting and flavorful condiments you can find. This vibrant sauce, born from the heart of Indian cuisine, offers a tantalizing blend of spices and a fiery kick that will awaken your taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting your culinary journey, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about this amazing sauce. Number 5. Tasty Bite Hot and Spicy Vindaloo, 6-pack. This is a delicious, ready-to-eat entree. It features chunky diced vegetables in a rich tomato sauce. The sweet and sour flavors make it a perfect meal. Enjoy authentic Indian cuisine in just a minute. It's perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. This pre-cooked meal is easy and convenient. It's made with all-natural, plant-based ingredients. There are no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. This vegan entree is a healthy choice. Take your taste buds on a trip to India. This microwavable meal is full of flavor, with authentic Indian spices and sauces. It's a tasty and healthy option. For over 25 years, Tasty Bite has been creating flavorful ethnic foods. They use the finest ingredients to make quick and delicious meals. Every bite tells a story. What we like. This Vindaloo sauce is ready to eat in just seconds, perfect for busy weeknights. It's made with all-natural, plant-based ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're eating. If you're looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious meal, you should consider this one. What people say. These are so convenient and way more flavorful than you'd expect from a pouch meal. I heat them in the microwave and serve with rice or naan for a complete, protein-packed dinner. Great product. Perfect for someone who wants to eat healthy with no time for cooking. Number 4. Mekhala Organic Vindaloo Cooking Paste. This versatile paste makes Indian cooking easy. It's a Goan-style curry with dried red chilies, spices, and tamarind. It creates a perfect tangy and fiery curry. This product is certified USDA organic and is vegan and gluten-free, with no added sugar. It's one of the cleanest and healthiest Asian pastes available. You can read the label to see for yourself. Unlike ready-made sauces, this paste is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a curry base or a marinade. It works well with various ingredients, such as sweet potato, tofu, beef, and more. This paste is super concentrated, unlike other brands. Each jar provides 8 to 10 servings. The spice level is hot, so it will definitely add some heat to your dishes. If the product arrives damaged, contact us with your order number and a photo. We will process a refund or replacement. The products are not tested on animals and are cruelty-free. What we like. This paste is USDA certified organic and vegan, ensuring a healthy and ethical choice. It's incredibly versatile, acting as both a curry base and a marinade for various proteins and vegetables. If you like to experiment in the kitchen and enjoy bold flavors, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The blend of spices and heat is perfect, quite comparable to the better Indian restaurants in my area. Ease to use, love the flavor. I love the clean organic ingredients in the Mekhala products. They are so easy to use as well. Number 3. PATAK'S Vindaloo Simmer Sauce, 15 ounces, pack of 3. This simmer sauce brings the taste of India to your kitchen. It's packed with rich tomato, chili, and spices, perfect for creating a delicious meal. You can enjoy this sauce knowing it's made with natural ingredients. It contains no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, ensuring a wholesome experience. This sauce is suitable for various dietary needs. It's gluten-free and vegetarian-friendly, making it a versatile choice for everyone. Preparing a flavorful meal is now easier than ever. Simply add it to your favorite ingredients for a quick and tasty dinner. It's the ideal base for a spicy Vindaloo dish. The sauce delivers an authentic taste that will impress your family and friends. What we like. This sauce delivers a spicy and authentic Vindaloo experience. It's gluten-free and vegetarian-friendly, catering to various dietary needs. If you're seeking a classic, flavorful Vindaloo that's easy to prepare, then you should consider this one. What people say. The sauce has a great balance of flavors. It has a good amount of heat. The flavor is authentic. Number 2. SUKHI'S Vindaloo Masala Sauce, pack of 6. Experience the bold and tangy taste of authentic Indian Vindaloo. This paste is inspired by the flavors of Goa, India. It's a delicious blend of vinegar, ginger, garlic, and chilies. Create delicious Indian dishes quickly and easily. Simply mix this paste with your choice of meat, seafood, or vegetables. It's ready in minutes. Use it as a cooking sauce, simmer sauce, or marinade. It's perfect for chicken curry, vegetable curry, or as a dipping sauce for bread. This versatile sauce enhances any meal. This sauce is free of nuts, dairy, and gluten. It's also halal certified with no artificial additives. It's a great option for various diets, including paleo, keto, vegetarian, and vegan. SUKHI'S offers a variety of Indian meals and sauces, made with care in the USA. Explore other options like butter chicken sauce, tikka masala, and more. Try them all. What we like. This Vindaloo paste offers a tangy and bold flavor profile, inspired by the traditional dish. It's incredibly easy to use, allowing you to create authentic Indian dishes in minutes. If you are looking for a versatile sauce that can be used in various ways, you should consider this one. What people say. Best taste over others. I've used a bulk version of this product at work as a cook and I was more than delighted to find it on Amazon for my personal use. I love this product for a quick curry chicken meal for my family. It is always yummy and a hit with everyone. Number 1. SUKHI'S Vindaloo Curry Paste 2.5 pounds. This is SUKHI'S Vindaloo Curry Paste. It's based on the signature dish from the Goa region. The paste brings the authentic taste to your kitchen. The Vindaloo curry was first brought to Goa by the Portuguese. This curry paste captures the essence of that culinary heritage. You can taste the history in every bite. It features caramelized onions, tangy vinegar, and robust Indian spices. The curry is well balanced with the right amount of heat. It's a delightful combination of flavors. Preparing delicious Vindaloo curry is easy. Just follow 3 simple steps. You'll have a flavorful meal ready in no time. It is nut-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, and vegan. There are no preservatives added. It's a delicious and inclusive option for everyone. What we like. This curry sauce offers a well-balanced flavor profile with the right amount of heat. It's also nut-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, and vegan, making it accessible to many. If you have dietary restrictions but still crave delicious Vindaloo, you should consider this one. What people say. The sauce came wrapped in 2 bags, the outer sealed bag has a ziplock and the inner bag is completely sealed to prevent any leakage during shipping. The paste is everything you asked for, in my case, creating a homemade cooked meal without compromise and a taste that can be prepared in minimal time when you are tired or busy and can't or don't want to order takeout. This curry is restaurant quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.